Good morning. Let's make some breakfast. It's so easy to clean. After this, we're going to slice them. Meanwhile, we put some oil for the frying. Slice them into small pieces. Let's test our oil. Personally, I prefer it to be extremely hot so that I just put and remove. It looks like it's hot, so let's see how long it takes. Then you're going to deep fry the plantains. Plantains are a good alternative for breakfast. You know that sometimes we just find ourselves eating bread, but you can be creative. Bread, pastries that is. You can also have other alternatives like plantain, which is not so common in Kenya, but it's a good alternative. So I think our oil is ready. We're just going to deep fry. I want to do 2 rounds so, and the oil is hot enough to put quite a substantial amount. So just leave it to cook. Then remove. If you're wondering why plantain, it's a good alternative from the pastries, as I've said, and also it has potassium, a high amount of potassium and vitamin C. Besides, it's a very good source of fiber, especially if you have children. It really helps with things like bowel movement. So plantain is a really good alternative for your snacking or your breakfasts. It's turning, this is our second round, turning golden brown nicely. So we'll just turn it over, then put the other side and to be ready to get out of the fire. Believe for kids who have issues with breakfast, this thing is so tasty. It is sweet actually. Very sweet. It can be a good motivation for them to eat breakfast.